I'm Juan Contreras. I'm a foreman for Chain Electric. We do maintenance on the transmission lines. I've been doing it for 18 years. Hey, Manny, how's the storm looking?
Hey, Juan, how's it going?
Hey, man.
Hey, doing great. Well, I'm just looking at the storm right now, and it looks like it's shifted a little bit north, going westward, inland Texas. And you are right. We're still going to catch most of that rain.
There was a storm coming in from the Gulf, 50-mile-per-hour winds. So we got called out. We met here in the morning. The people rely on us when their powers go out or any structure that falls to the ground. We're the ones that get called out to go restore the power. It could be snowing, it could be in the middle of a tornado or hurricane. We'll be there to assist. Every project is different. We actually don't know what we're gonna face. You know, we got houses, we got pedestrians, we got kids, we got daycares, we got school zones. We don't know if that structure is in the middle of the highway. Today, we change out poles, run conductor, X braces. This is a 138,000 volt radio line. This line cannot be killed out. That's why we're working to energize. This line is real important because it feeds the windmills. With myself, we're a 6-man crew, and we all work together. It's like family. You know, everybody takes care of their own back. Be your brother's keeper. After work, we do a lot of gatherings and stuff like that. Those type of moments are important because I could let them know, you know what, hey, you got too close to the line. You got to be more careful. We have our safety standards real high. I make sure everybody goes home safe. To me, my guys did a great job today.